Yeah, first time come to Bali or?
Adelaide, Australia.
Ah, at the bottom. Where you come from?
Tasmania.
Second home. Yeah. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma Bali. Okay, I will make videos start from Sudar Ray until Padma Utara Street around Bali Aussie over there. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Padma Bali, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Padma Bali. And as I told you, our journey today start from Sudar Ray on Warkudara Street. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. And actually, I record this video on 4:30 p.m. So let's see together how busy in this area today. Yeah. Now we are exactly at the front Sudar Ray spot bar. We all together. You'll see a lot of tourists today. Wow. Yeah. Wow, busy. Sudar Ray. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from? Australia. First time come to Bali or easy for you to come to Bali? Very bad in Australia.
South Australia.
Oh, Tasmania?
Not that far, up high.
Oh,
Adelaide.
Adelaide.
Adelaide. Yeah.
My customer from Wollongong, Aladala. I got a lot of customer over there.
Sydney.
Yeah, Sydney.
Okay.
Sydney, Kuma, South, Wollongong, Aladala. Okay, enjoy your holiday, yeah?
Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye. Wow, they come from Adelaide. Okay. Let's keep continue walking on Padma Utara Street. Hello. Wow. Busy. That's good. Wow, busy, isn't it? Oh, good mate.
Yeah, good boy, yeah.
Good day, mate.
Yeah, good day, mate.
I just make YouTube for update station in Bali.
Oh, really?
I upload it every day about station in Bali.
Yeah, cool.
Where you come from?
Adelaide, Australia.
Ah, at the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom.
That's
yeah.
your neighbor over there.
From Tasmania.
Yeah, up Tasmania. But beautiful country over there.
Yeah, not too bad.
First time come to Bali?
No.
Really?
We've been here lots.
Yeah.
Because easy for you to fly to Bali.
Yeah, not far, man.
There's so far. I'd like this hour. Is it a 5-6 hour flight?
Yeah, where are you from?
From Bali.
Oh, you're actually from Bali?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just make YouTube for update session in Bali.
Right, okay.
Actually, I'm tow driver. I get a car.
Yeah, okay, cool. We get some birds, mate.
No worries, mate. Have a good day.
Yeah, right.
Wow. Again, I'd like. Maybe busy over here. Wow. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Bali. Where you come from? Where you come from?
Tasmania.
Tasmania.
Yes.
That's from Brisbane.
We won't hold that against them.
Huh?
We won't hold that against them.
Oh wow.
Brisbane,
Down
Tasmania.
Tasmania. Yeah.
Oh.
Very beautiful country.
Nice.
Yeah. But very cold over there at the moment. Yeah. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? Wow, looks so big. Terima kasih. Quite busy inside. That's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Warkudara Street. And as I told you, I will make video until Padma Utara Street. Hello, my wife. My wife. Okay, let's keep continue walking. At the front over there we have the good sport bar also there. Maybe a few tourists over there. Let's see together how busy in this area today. Wow. Hello, welcome to Bali. How are you? Yeah, this is the good. Wow, few tourists inside over there is good. It's quite busy. Woohoo. Hello. Let's keep continue walking on Workudara Street.
Look at this bucket hat.
Wow. Shopping. Heavy shopping. Hello. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Yanti, wow, busy. That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
G'day, mate. Where about Australia? Where about?
Newcastle.
Oh, a capital, yeah? Canberra, capital.
Filming for?
I just make YouTube
Oh, okay.
about update session in Bali because I make video every day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're here from Newcastle.
Oh, wow, sorry. Keep going. Welcome to Bali. How long you been in Bali already? 5 days?
Yeah.
Enjoy your holiday. Okay, thank you. Wow. Quite busy over there. It's good. Yanti Sport Bar. Hello, welcome to Bali. Woo. Enjoy your holiday. Huh? You live in here?
No, he doesn't.
Really? I was thinking, like, how to say, a second home. Yeah. Have a good day, yeah? What about Australia? What about? Sydney. I got a customer from Cuba, Wollongong, Aladala. Yeah. Have a good day, eh? Enjoy your holiday, brother. Wow. They look so happy. It's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Workudara Street. And as I tell you, I will make video until around Bali Aussie. Wow. But so far in video we can see together. It's quite busy in this area. They're just really good. Woof. Yeah, really happy when I talk with the people. They happy, I'm happy. Because yeah, this is not easy. I mean, maybe easy for them to come to Bali, but I really appreciate it if they come to Bali because make Bali feel happy. We are happy. In this restaurant, wow, few tourists over there already. Hello, Mba. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, so pretty. This is my second wife in Bali. Rame, Mbak?
Oh, enggak.
Ya, belum waktunya.
Nanti malam.
Yeah, it's dinner time is coming yet. Around 8 p.m. we'll be busy here. Have a good day. Thank you. If I turn right over there, there's Magraima Hotel, Jakarta. Yeah, over there. But today I will make video until Bali Aussie, as I told you. Okay. Now I will turn left. Wow, it's quiet here. No, so many tourists around here. It's so quiet. I don't know why. Woo. Maybe over there, few tourists over there. Yeah, sorry. Because it's quite dark. Wow, Padma Bali. Padma Utara Street. Usually I was busy in this area. Why today so quiet? It is still very quiet, isn't it? Woohoo! Busy soon, busy soon. Yeah, actually around this time in this area, I was busy because before dinner they just walk around shopping and then dinner time because what a nice restaurant in this area. But today we can sit together, just so quiet. And now we are exactly at the front of Fed Buddha. Maybe busy. Hello, Fed Buddha. Well, people inside over there is good, quite busy, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Sorry, mate. Wow, future is over there, it's good. Yeah, for sure around this time the restaurant will be not so busy because it's a dinner time yet. See, we'll be busy soon around 8 p.m. Wow, good. Hello, how are you? Not really busy. I don't know why. This restaurant, Bali Bandi. Bali Bandi. I don't know how to say again. I forget. And my viewers will coming back soon. I met them in this restaurant few months ago. Wow. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just make YouTube. Where do you come from?
I got YouTube. Oh no.
Where do you come from?
Perth.
Oh, Perth. Easy to fly to Bali, yeah? No for us. Have a good day. Wow, they look so happy. That's good. Yeah, I met my viewer a few months ago in this restaurant. Over there, there's this few hotel over there. Wow. They're coming soon, coming out soon. And now we are at Bali Aussie. Citrus over there inside, you see? Yeah. Busy soon. Hello, Bali Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, 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 Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Across the street over there, there's a restaurant we call Romeo. Also recommended. Legend because since long time ago. Yeah, features over there is good. Future is doing shopping there. It's good also. Hello. Yeah, I will make video until corner and bar restaurant. Oh, sorry. I hope the quality not really bad. So can you see clear? on the video. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Padma Bali. Start from Sudar Ray until Bali Aussie area. So what do you think? Not bad, isn't it? Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Padma Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay. Oh sorry. Pictures over there is good.